If you want to experience some style, this wallet could be the one for you. You can see how compact this wallet it is. Super, super compact. Of course, it's empty right now, but just on the profile, you can see how compact this is kind of like related to the usual wallet or the regular wallet. So this is my regular wallet, which I love. I really like this wallet over here. But this one, I've been trying and it's empty right now. Again, one more time, because I just want to show you the profile and how kind of like compact and how thin it can be. Of course, you can put many things inside and it comes in multiple colors, but what I want to show you is that it comes in a really nice package. So this could be a fantastic gift, and I want to show it to you on a close-up so you can see how nice this one looks with the carbon fiber accents. So one more time, you can see a little bit of the profile change. So this is the regular wallet that I have, which is full right here, of course, but this one, take a look at it. Take a look at the kind of like the carbon fiber accents over here on the outside as well, with this really nice seal. You can actually put cash right here or the card that you use the most, and then you're gonna see this really nice, again, carbon fiber profile over here. And then you can use this for a quick access or of your ID. You have a little bit more of space right here and room for some more cards, and when you put the cards inside, you can't see them. There's nothing that actually kind of like slips out of it. So I think that's actually even better to more privacy, more profile as well. You can put this right here. It is, as I was telling you before, for your ID. Right here goes the ID, so you can see through, and then you have some other room over there. So lots of compartments over here, as well as this one over here as well on the bottom. And of course, you have for the cash, no divider over here, no room divider over here for your bills. And you have kind of like the same thing, someplace over here, a little bit more down here on top of it, some more room, and then the one for the cards. I have to say that this one is a very compact and really nice profile wallet that is made right here with the carbon fiber. And of course, they have multiple other designs with some colors inside or outside as well. I like it. I do recommend this stylish wallet. Of course, it's gonna be my new wallet moving forward.